Hey guys, welcome to another video in Fusion Studios. Today we are unboxing the Bolt Audio Airbass True Buds. Now this is one of the earbuds which give good audio quality at a budget price. Also the box also look very premium. The backside of the box shows some interesting features. So it has 24 hours playback, 3 days standby, and then it has wake up and pair which connects instantly. It also has noise cancellation and call and music controls, and it has Bluetooth 5.0 auto pair with both earbud masters, which helps to connect two devices at a time, and then it has stereo mic calling. The MRP of the product is shown as 8,000 rupees, but during Great Indian Sale you can get this for 1,800 rupees. If you want to buy this now, the link is there in the description. You can buy that using that link to get some extra discounts. So now let's unbox the product and check what is inside. So opening, we have this red color case, and looking inside we have this warranty card. It's 1 year warranty card. The details for registration is given inside it. We can claim the warranty using this, and then we have this user manual. Now opening the user manual, it's fairly detailed. First we have the pairing options, which shows how to connect the buds with the phone. Then we have the product picture, which shows the hardware features, and then we have the functional operations for the touch controls, for like what happens when you double click, single click, triple click, etc. Now on the back side we have the steps on how to charge the case, which acts like a power bank and then in turn charges the earbuds, which needs to be kept inside. Then we have the specifications, which we'll be showing later in detail. That's pretty much it. Now let's move on to some unique features of these earbuds. So at first we have this one touch control, where the Bolt logo acts as a touch control. It supports many actions like single click and double click, and also has Google Assistant and Siri, which we can activate using the touch control. Next we have the ultimate gaming experience, which is the low latency mode. We tested out PUBG in this mode and found that during the first 30 seconds there was a delay, and then after that it was in perfect sync. Now as shown in this image from the Amazon website, it says it has IPX7 waterproofing, but we didn't find any such certification in the box, so it's better not to put this in water. Now some of the other interesting feature is a monopod capability, by which when we activate it, we can use one earbud instead of two. Then we have the Hall switch feature, where it pairs instantly as you open the case when the Bluetooth is turned on in the phone. The Bolt earbud comes in 3 different colors, which is silver, red and dark blue. This Bolt headset is designed in USA and it has customer support. The other unique feature is that it is compatible in Apple, Android and Windows. Now before going to the headset, let's check out what is there inside the box. So lastly we have this small package named as accessories. Now opening that box, let's see what we find inside. So inside we can find this USB cable and some extra earbuds inside this plastic case. The USB cable does not come with a charging adapter, so we can use the ones we use for charging the phone. So for the case of earbuds, we have 2 different sizes, and the USB cable has one USB Type-C on one end and USB Type-A on the other end. Now that's all with all the accessories inside the box. Now let's check out the earbuds. So this is the earbud case. It has the Bolt Audio branding in the front. Overall it has this smooth black matte finish, which is nice to feel for the touch. And on the bottom side we can see these LED indicators, which indicates the battery charge, and here we have the USB Type-C port, which will show you how to connect. So as you can see, the USB cable included is very short, so we'll need to keep this very close to the adapter. Now we have the option to use our smartphone cables, which is long, but while you're using that in that situation, it's better to use cables which does not support fast charging, because it is not shown in the box like if it is supported or not. Now let's open the case and check out the earbuds. So as you can see, it's very well made and looks very nice compared to the competition like MI, Realme, etc. Now let's take out the earbuds out, and here we can see the golden connectors by which the earbuds charges. Now let's take the second earbud out and check out the case. So this is the interior of the case, and as you can see from the first glance, it's clearly labeled the left and right side of the box. Now we can't mess this up because it is designed such a way that the earbuds fit perfectly accordingly to the left and right side. Now we had tested this earbuds out with WhatsApp calls and the quality is quite good. Then we tested out with normal calls, then the quality was very good, it was excellent and was very clear. Then we tested out WhatsApp voice record and there the voice level was very low. Later on we tested out the camera with the earbuds connected and then we found out that the background noise was too high because it was recording using the mic in the earbuds. Now as we mentioned before, this is the touch control area which can be used for using the features of the headset like playing music, controlling the volume, accepting calls, etc. Also while using these earbuds, make sure to avoid accidental touches. Now this case has magnets, so when we keep the earbuds near the case itself, it automatically attaches and goes to its seating position. Now it will start charging automatically, and once it is full charged, you can use it for about 2 hours. So thank you for watching this video guys. The link for buying is given down in the description. If you have any doubts regarding the earbuds, please do comment in the comment section. Also like this video and share this to your friends. Thank you for watching the video guys. Click on subscribe and the bell button to get our latest updates.